What's going on, y'all? My name's Charlie, and welcome to Go Fast Nation. I had no clue that I was going to run into something so unique, so interesting.
Yeah, that's all she has.
When we just came to pick up a set of decals. But check this thing out. That is a 1976 Invader GT. It's a kit car that they built in the 70s based on a Volkswagen chassis, Volkswagen engine, and it's pretty wild. But let me flip this thing around and we'll talk to the owner. His name is Roger. All right, so this is Roger. Thank you for letting me shoot this thing. It's pretty awesome, man. I've never seen one like this before.
So this is a car I found last year. It was a one-owner car. Guy bought it when he was in high school, January of 1976. He bought it from California. It's on a 71 Beetle chassis, Type 1 chassis.
Really, Beetle?
Yeah, Volkswagen Beetle.
I would have thought Carmen Ghia or something. I didn't realize the wheelbase was...
So it does have a Carmen Ghia windshield.
Oh, okay.
In the front. See the Carmen Ghia DNA in it.
A little bit, yeah.
It's got a Carmen Ghia Carmen Ghia coupe front window. But the bottom line is, it's a one-owner car. The guy joined the Air Force. He had it all through college. Joined the Air Force. He was a pilot. And you can look at the gauge cluster and see how that kind of resembles a cockpit, pilot cockpit. And that was his design.
Right.
I kept it going.
Yeah.
And so I didn't modify that, but I did, so I put the gauges in.
Yeah, it's cool looking, man.
So I purchased it last year, last titled in '88. Okay.
Okay.
So this has been around for a while. This was off the road since '92. Has a new Ron Francis wiring kit in there with the integrated relays. I rewired it all, took the Volkswagen stuff out. It's got some Morimoto sealed Super 7. They're the first version. They got integrated daytime running lights, and they're really beautiful when they're on. I blacked out the light pods. One of my forum buddies, he made these light shields. So these aren't original. These are they're aftermarket, but they're homemade.
Okay.
From my buddy, and they fit perfectly.
So he handmade the plastic?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So buddy did that. The gas tank's modified to the center input.
Okay.
It's got some Talbot style type front mirrors. Like I said, Carmen Ghia windshield and trim. It's got a Summit Racing ignitionless tilt steering column.
Oh, nice.
So you can, and then it has also the removable, D type steering wheel.
I love that badge. That's not a Volkswagen badge,
so
is it?
This is the Germany state flag type badge.
Okay.
These are original buckets with original upholstery.
Beautiful Volkswagen.
All the upholstery really came with the car from the guy that owned it before.
Pretty sweet.
Back here is where the magic is.
Right.
So we got a Pro Street transmission, a remote oil cooler, thermally controlled. It turns on to 180 degrees. Of course, Optima battery, stainless steel braid lines, front and rear sway bars are 3/4 inch.
Wow.
everything, all the best stuff back here. And then the engine is a 2110 stroker. It's a 82.
2110 cc's?
2110,
I bet it moves out pretty good.
So I estimate the power to be around 160 horsepower for a 1,560 pound car.
Nice.
160 horsepower is a very nice number to be at.
Yeah, you really don't need much when you don't have a lot of weight.
So these are Italian carburetors, Italian 44 millimeter Webers. It's got some vintage speed bits. It comes out of Taiwan, which is this 356 style oil fill and breather. This low profile linkage, and these 356 style mesh style breathers.
Okay.
Additionally, Vintage Speed sells this nice tubular breather box. You know, it's a breather tube basically.
Oh, okay. I thought that was part of the chassis support
No,
for a second.
so it takes the crankcase breathing, it takes the valve covers input, and then the output comes out, and it's baffled inside, and the outputs come into the air cleaners.
Nice.
The exhaust is a customized exhaust built for this car. I sent pictures to Taiwan to the engineer, and they built it just so the transverse box would fit my valence, and this is a merged 2-in-1 into a transverse box with quad outputs, kind of like a Ferrari style output.
Yeah, it looks great.
Electronic ignition, alternator, full flow oil system, of course, with a Fram HP1 Racing heavy duty oil filter.
Oh, okay. Remote mount. That's cool.
This is your fuel pressure for your carburetor. I've got an electric fuel pump up front, inline filter. The back area, which I love, those back tail lights.
They just opened the track up.
Back tail lights are Pontiac, 1971 Pontiac Sunbird.
Really?
Yeah, those are Sunbird tail lights. And then the back bumper, the split bumpers, are from an Opel GT.
That's cool. So let's hear it real quick. Can you fire it up?
Oh yeah.
Outstanding. Man, that thing sounds good for a Volkswagen engine. Man, that thing is awesome. Well, Roger, thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate you showing me the car.
No problem.
And, man.
Invader GT5.
Invader GT5.
Yep.
All right. There you have it, guys. You will probably never see anything like this again. It's insane. Oh man, so y'all know what to do. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.